It began with one unpatched server. No malware, no phishing, just an update that nobody installed. Within hours, hospitals, banks, and airlines were locked out of their own systems. Screens flashed errors, backups failed, and help desks went silent. Security teams kept asking the same question: how did one forgotten patch cause billions in damage? This is the story of how a single zero-day spiraled into global chaos. The patch note looked harmless. Remote code execution, severity critical. Administrators postponed it. Maintenance windows were full, and uptime mattered more than security. Administrators postponed it. Maintenance windows were full, and uptime mattered more than security. The vulnerability, later cataloged as CV 2021-44228, became famous as Log4Shell. Buried inside a Java logging library, it allowed attackers to inject code through something as simple as a username field. By the time teams realized the risk, threat actors had already begun scanning the entire internet with MAP and MASCAN, hunting for any system still running vulnerable builds. Buried inside a Java logging library, it allowed attackers to inject code through something as simple as a username field. Within minutes, ransomware groups piggybacked on the same exploit chain. In one case, a hospital's radiology system was encrypted mid-procedure. They ran Grype and Trivy to locate vulnerable libraries, and CrowdStrike Falcon quarantined infected hosts. Network engineers cut outbound egress rules using Palo Alto firewall ACLs to stop data exfiltration. At 2 a.m., intrusion detection systems lit up with outbound traffic spikes. Servers were downloading unknown payloads disguised as configuration files. Meanwhile, exploit code spread on GitHub faster than defenders could patch. Servers were downloading unknown payloads disguised as configuration files. Attackers dropped reverse shells, then deployed CrowdStrike beacons for persistence. Within minutes, ransomware groups piggybacked on the same exploit chain. Elasticsearch clusters, Jenkins servers, even Minecraft servers, all were hit. In one case, a hospital's radiology system was encrypted mid-procedure. Executives who delayed the patch faced brutal reviews. The missed patch had opened thousands of entry points simultaneously. Incident response teams activated emergency protocols. Companies started adopting SPOMs, software bills of materials, to map every dependency. It became clear the next zero-day wouldn't wait for a convenient patch window. Forensics analysts used Volatility to dump memory, searching for live CrowdStrike threads. Meanwhile, exploit code spread on GitHub faster than defenders could patch. In less than a week, over 800,000 systems were confirmed compromised. Governments issued joint alerts under CISA AA 21-356A, a rare move signaling national-level concern. Governments issued joint alerts under CISA AA 21-356A, a rare move signaling national-level concern. Weeks later, auditors traced millions of dollars in downtime losses. Executives who delayed the patch faced brutal reviews. Yet the technical fix was only a few lines. Update the library and restart the service. The breach revealed a deeper issue: security debt. Too many systems ran temporary exceptions, undocumented dependencies, and outdated plugins. Companies started adopting SPOMs to map every dependency. CI/CD pipelines integrated scanners like SNYK and dependency track, breaking builds when old libraries appeared. It became clear the next zero-day wouldn't wait for a convenient patch window. 0 days don't cause chaos, neglect does. Every postponed update, every "we'll patch it next week," stacks risk until something breaks. Security isn't about heroics after an incident. It's about discipline before it. Today, the phrase "act now, iterate" isn't just an engineering motto, it's survival strategy. So next time you see that red update icon, don't ignore it. It might be the quietest alert you ever get before everything goes dark. You're watching The Network Night. Like, share, and comment if your team's ever fought a zero-day under pressure, because somewhere right now, another patch is being ignored.